All right, folks, here's what I got for you today. This is, oh, wait, no, I'm sorry. I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. Got to get that in there for the super fans. Here's what you're going to get today. This is some freestyle. I am flying my DJI FPV system, and one of the things I've heard from you guys is everybody flying the system is flying it safely and, you know, not really pushing it. So this is, obviously, I'm still just flying around my house. This isn't the hardest, you know, hard bashing freestyle bando slaying in the world, but I pushed it a little bit. I decided to just try just freaking go. And here's the result. For those of you who are wondering, this is the actual DVR. This is like what you're seeing here is what I was seeing in the goggles. I think that may get lost on some folks when these DJI videos go up. You're not looking at just the high def recording. This is it. Focus mode is on. This is in low latency mode. I tried the other mode, and low latency mode I think is the one for me. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's on towards dusk. It's dusky, so you're gonna see how the camera handles a little bit of low light. There's a little bit of motion blur in the exposure. Well, you'll see. Enjoy. And we'll just start the flight with a good hard... Oh, get up out of the grass there, son. Get up out of the grass. I am flying my 6-inch quadcopter. This is the only frame I had that was big enough to fit the DJI Air unit in. So it takes me a minute to get used to the way it handles. But here we go with some freestyle. And it's pretty freaking nice flying. Like, this is literally what you're seeing in the goggles. For all the criticisms of the unit that are completely valid, and there are many valid criticisms of the unit, my God, it does deliver on the experience of flying in HD. It's freaking amazing. So here I am ripping it up, trying to do some precision stuff to demonstrate. People are a little skeptical of the latency. Trying to do some precision stuff here. Do some speedy stuff here, just having a good time. You can see that the edges of the video are blurry and the center of the screen is sharper. That is focus mode. And right here, this was the first time when I was like, whoa, ow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Coming down into those trees, it suddenly got blurry and the latency changed slightly and I struggled a little bit. That's the kind of thing that you're gonna, like here, I'm gonna do it again just to test it out. You're gonna get used to that if you fly this system, because you, in the same way that when you fly analog, you go, oh, I know I lose signal behind that building. I'm going to fly extra careful through there. Well, same thing kind of happens with this system. I will say, though, this is on the 700 milliwatt output power. I will say that flying around my house like this, the latency stays around, 26, 30, 35, maybe milliseconds at most. The latency is just completely a non-issue under these scenarios. Now let's fly over through these trees. Now, this is my 6-inch quad, and it's my freestyle quad, so it doesn't have a ton of up tilt. It's not a super speedy racer, and I am not a super speedy racing pilot either, but I'm going to do some moves around those trees to try and demonstrate, the precision and speed. And if latency were an issue, could I do these things? I don't know. Judge for yourself. Oh, here. Oh, wow. The control of 6-inch. Man. Oh, that was so nice. Man, I couldn't do that. I have a hard time doing that on 5-inch high KV. Here's some, what am I doing here? So I gotta do something. Yeah, talking. I'm gonna land here and check my battery real quick. I do not yet have battery voltage in the goggles. You got to hook it up to your flight controller via a UART, and I just haven't done that on this one. So, nope, battery voltage is still good. I am flying with Crossfire here. I'm not flying with a DJI controller. We're just using good old Crossfire. Here we go. Whoop! Hello, trampoline. Oh, if I were a real pilot, I would have gone back down, in, and through, but I'm a bit too much of a chicken for that. Even on analog, I'm too much of a chicken for that. Yep, here we go through here. Check this out. Dark area. Gets a little grainy there, but not too bad. Just trying to show you guys, hey, could I do this if the latency were a problem? I don't know. I'm just having a good time, to be honest with you. It's so... it really is invigorating my desire to fly when the freaking image looks this freaking good. I wish I know that some of you guys are going to be mad to hear me say that. You're going to be like, oh, he's just hyping. Hype train is real. The problem is that It's easy to just be a curmudgeon and just shit on every product. And then people will go, see, he's keeping it real. But part of keeping it real is that when you're having a sincerely good experience, you got to be sincere about that as well. Oh, here we go. We'll cut through some of these trees. We'll do a backity power loop. And through this area. And am I done? Is that it? Is the video over? I think the video might be over. That's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy flying.